Is Instamojo just a payment gateway solution? How good it is? How much it costs? Does it fit your needs of business? All this is in this video. Keep watching. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if at any point you would like to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. Let's start with what Instamojo is. It is majorly a payment gateway that offers a full-fledged online business environment setup, including website creation, domain buying, standalone web themes, shipping handling, and CRM. Its major targets are artists and budding businesses in India. In features, Instamojo has payment gateway to offer, of course, but along with the main business, it also offers buying web domains directly from their website and at cheaper rates, as they say, smart pages to integrate payments with your current website hassle-free and in a better way, themes for your web pages, presence of multiple verticals to proceed faster. Talking about its UI, it's a simple but beautiful interface. Deals with strong points of the work and has lesser extra elements, which makes it light-sized and easy to understand. Talking about advantages, it offers multiple payment methods including UPI, credit, debit cards, net banking, wallets, etc. It personalizes the payment plan according to merchants' needs to benefit both. A very clear of understanding in terms of charges is there. 2% plus 3 rupees flat for all offline physical products, and 5% plus 3 rupees flat for all online files and services, where both the fees are excluded of GST that will be added afterward. Another advantage point that it offers an option where the customer can pay the convenience fee added extra and you receive the total basic amount without reductions. It can also recognize a returning customer so that you can set offers or other options for your returning customers. It supports international payments as well. Now consider these disadvantages as well before jumping to choose this as your default payment gateway. Even though it supports wallets, it has very limited 2 to 4 wallets currently supported. Also, if you are purchasing their basic website plan or web page option, which is kept free, they charge a whopping 5% plus 3 rupees on each transaction regardless of payment method. Keep in mind that they are not charging anything extra for the infrastructure, so it's your call. For international support, it requires extra approvals, etc., and I'm guessing it will cost even more. In conclusion, so far I would say it's a good provider considering you only do business in India majorly, and as I stated earlier, it looks like they are majorly here for individual businesses and artist community in India. If you have your own website and sell physical products, then it's a green light, but for others they charge 5% plus GST plus 3 rupees. It is totally your call. Again, if you want to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. I hope this video helped you to understand more deeply about Instamojo in your business. If you are still looking out for other options, consider these 2 videos. That's it for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.